Good morning, everybody. It's Tiffany from Progress LLC, and I am a professional organizer and chronic disorganization specialist. Wanted to talk about a concept that we spoke about in our accountability group this morning that might be helpful for others. It was a concept that I read in a book called Structured Procrastination. And the overall theory of that is if you are the rebellious type, and don't want to have just one thing that you have to take care of today. Structured procrastination means that you can set aside a few things that you need to accomplish. And depending on how you're feeling at that moment, you can pick from one of a few options so that you don't go find something else that's maybe not a goal for you at that time and something that needs to be addressed. And instead, you have a variety of things to choose from to work on in that given moment. And maybe you come back to the thing later that you would like to address at another time instead of right now. If you would like a link below with the book that I'm referring to, please shoot a message. Hope everyone is doing well, and maybe that helps somebody today when you're establishing ways to take care of things that you need to scratch off your to-do list. Have a good one. Thank you.